Beautiful. Best views from here. Amazing. It's amazing right here. Could see statue celebrities. It's behind there. There's a sunset between statue celebrities. Hello, what's up, everybody? This is Brooklyn High Promenade, where we got the best views from here, especially the sunset. It's really romantic. And really amazing views. See a statue celebrity from right there. It's when the sun sets. Hey, sunset blue. Sunset goals. This is how the sunset right here. It's really amazing views from here. That's a Governor Island and statues of liberty from behind. Hidden from behind there. The sun gonna go and say goodbye from Earth and waiting for see the tomorrow again with the sunshine and sunrise. This is how beautiful it is. Enjoy the sunsets, everyone. Everyone love it. Hello everybody. Nice to see you here. Thank you so much for your check-in. Beautiful. Bye bye sun. Bye sun. Let's see my views from here. With the low Manhattan. But it's really lovely when the sun sets. See State Islands, the Governor Island, statues of liberties.